we start exercise 1.1 of mathematical logic. Now, what is exercise 1.1? State which of the following are statement. Justify. In case of statement, state its truth value. So, first sentence, 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. Now, 5 plus 4, we know 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. यह हमें दिया है. But 5 plus 4 is equal to what? 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 13 is false. Now in this example, 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. It is completely false. So it is a statement which is false. Hence truth value is capital F. Now example number 2, x minus 3 is equal to 14. Now in this example, if we take let x is equal to 17, then x minus 3 is equal to 14 is completely true. यदि हम x is equal to 17 कंसीडर कर रहे हैं तो ये मैथमेटिकल सेंटेंस कंप्लीटली ट्रू होगा. बट इफ यू टेक लेट x is equal to 10, the value of x other than 17, that is x will 10. So x minus 3 is equal to 14 is completely false. So in this mathematical sentence, mathematical expression, this expression for one value of x, it is completely true. But for other value of x, it is completely false. So same sentence, mathematical expression, true for one value of x and false for other value of x, and hence it is a open sentence. तो ये open sentence होगा. And in logic, open sentence are not a statement. Logic में open sentence statement नहीं होता. Example number 3, close the door. Now close the door is what type of sentence? Close the door एक किस प्रकार का sentence है? Close the door is a imperative sentence. यह imperative sentence है. And imperative sentence in logic not a statement. Imperative sentence in logic में statement नहीं होते. Example number 4, 0 is a complex number. Now 0 is a complex number. Now what is complex number? In class 11th we studied complex number. एक पूरा चैप्टर है क्लास 11th में कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर पर. अब कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इज व्हाट? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर जनरली डिनोटेड बाय z. सो z इज इक्वल टू a प्लस i b, वेयर a एंड b आर रियल नंबर and I is imaginary number. So A and B are real number. So A and B may be 0. So if you put A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 and value of I, that is imaginary number, is what? Square root of minus 1. I का वैल्यू कितना होता है? Square root of minus 1. Now if you put this value in this complex number expression, so z is equal to a, that is 0, plus I square root of minus 1 into b 0. तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? z is equal to 0 plus 0 into square root of minus 1. So 0 into any number 0. So z, which is complex number, 0 प्लस 0 0। तो यह सेंटेंस 0 is a complex number is completely true. 0 is a complex number is completely true. Therefore solution क्या होगा? It is a statement which is true. Hence truth value is capital T. Example number 5. Please get me breakfast. Now please get me breakfast is a request, and request come under the sentence imperative type of sentence. तो ये जो सेंटेंस है प्लीज गेट मी ब्रेकफास्ट, यह सेंटेंस इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस है, एंड इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस इन लॉजिक इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट। तो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? इट इज अ इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस एंड हेंस इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट। अब यह स्टेटमेंट नहीं है तो इसकी ट्रूथ वैल्यू नहीं होंगी। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, एग्जांपल नंबर 6। Congruent triangle are similar triangle. Now this sentence is a property of congruent triangle and hence it is a statement which is true. ये statement होगा और इसकी truth value capital T होंगी। Now in logic the theorems, laws, rule, properties and mathematical formulas are completely true and hence all these are the statement. ये सभी statement होंगे। Example, example number 7। x square is equal to x. Now justification or solution, x square is equal to x. Now here if x is equal to 1 then x square is equal to x is true. How? If you put x is equal to 1, so 1 square is equal to x is equal to 1. 1 square is 1 is equal to 1. So both are same. So x square is equal to x is true. But if we put x is equal to 2, then x square is equal to x is false. Now how it is false? If you put here x is equal to 2, x square 2 square is equal to x 2. So 2 square is 4 is equal to 2. So this is not equal. So x square is equal to x is not equal if x is equal to 2. So same mathematical expression for one value is true and for other value the same mathematical expression is false, and hence this sentence, this mathematical expression is what? ओपन सेंटेंस। ये क्या होगा? ओपन सेंटेंस होगा। सो एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स इज ओपन सेंटेंस। एज इट इज अ ओपन सेंटेंस इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट, इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट। ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं होगा। एज इट इज नॉट अ स्टेटमेंट its truth value is not exist. ये स्टेटमेंट नहीं है तो इसका ट्रूथ वैल्यू भी नहीं होगा। एग्जांपल नंबर 8। A quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. In 10th standard we have studied the quadratic equation. In that equation the variable which is used in that quadratic equation, उस quadratic equation में जो variable हम use करते थे, for example x not having more than 2 roots, उसके 2 से ज़्यादा values नहीं निकलती थी। तो ये क्या completely true है। Example number 9। Do you like mathematics? Now this example, do you like mathematics? This sentence is an interrogative sentence. A statement in logic. अब statement नहीं है तो इसका truth value भी नहीं होंगी. Example number 10. Sun set in west. Now this is an assertive sentence, completely true, and hence it is a statement in logic and truth value is capital T. अब ये जो सेंटेंस है ये सेंटेंस assertive सेंटेंस है, completely true है, तो इसकी ट्रूथ वैल्यू कैपिटल T होंगी. नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 11. All real number are whole number. Now we know the real number. Real numbers are the number which are plot on number line. Now real number are classified into rational number, irrational number. This rational and irrational number further classified into natural number, whole number and integers. Therefore whole number is one of the type of real number. Whole number यह एक real number का type है. So all real number or whole number is statement which is false and hence the truth value is capital F. Next example, example number 12. Example number 12. Can you speak in Marathi? Question mark. Now in this sentence is a interrogative sentence. ये जो sentence है interrogative sentence है. And in logic, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclusive sentence are not a statement in logic. तो ये interrogative sentence है इसलिए ये statement नहीं होगा. अब ये statement नहीं है तो इसका truth value भी नहीं होंगी. Example number 13. X square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 7. So solution of this equation, here we take left hand side, x square minus 6x minus 7. Here we put x is equal to 7. So this become x square. So 7 square minus 6 into x is equal to 7 minus 7. So 7 square 49 minus 6 into 7 42 minus 7. So this 49 minus 42 minus 7. So minus 49 is equal to 0. So we get right hand side. So x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 7 is completely true. तो ये ट्रू एंड हेंस इट इज स्टेटमेंट. ये स्टेटमेंट है, इसका ट्रूथ वैल्यू होगा कैपिटल T. एग्जांपल नंबर 14. द सम ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी इज 0. नाउ व्हाट इज द मैथमेटिकल मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? इस सेंटेंस का मैथमेटिकल मीनिंग क्या होगा? दिस मीन्स सॉल्यूशन x क्यूब माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. ये मीनिंग होता है द सम ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी इज 0. तो सम ऑफ द क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी इज 0. इट मीन्स x क्यूब माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. इसका मैथमेटिकल मीनिंग है. नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज x क्यूब, ये प्लस और माइनस 1 को हम इस तरह से लिखेंगे, माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो ये हो गया sum of cube root of unity is 0. So this sentence is completely true. अब ये sentence completely true है तो ये statement होगा और इसकी truth value होगी कैपिटल T. Number 15. It rains heavily. Now this sentence is a open sentence. ये जो sentence है ये open sentence है. Now how? It rain heavily. It is true at one place. एक जगह पे बारिश हो रही है तो ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होगा. बट एट सम अदर प्लेस इफ देर इज नॉट रेन देन इट इज फॉल्स. बट यदि दूसरे कहीं जगह पर बारिश नहीं हो रही है तो क्या होगा? ये सेंटेंस फॉल्स होगा. एंड देयरफॉर इट इज अ ओपन सेंटेंस at one place it is true but at other place it is maybe false and hence it is a open sentence. ये open sentence है, therefore in logic it is not a statement. ये open sentence है इसलिए ये logic में statement नहीं होगा. अब statement नहीं है तो इसकी truth value भी नहीं होंगी.